Today I'm going to be making candied almonds in the slow cooker. I have sprayed my slow cooker with cooking spray so that it doesn't stick, and I've turned on the slow cooker, setting the temperature to low and to 4 hours. So what I'm going to do first is to measure out my almonds. We're going to be need 4.5 cups. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is I have 2 egg whites, and I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm going to whisk them together. So. I'm going to pour that in. And then I want to make sure I just coat the almonds. Looks beautiful. Now I'm going to add in some brown sugar, 1.5 cups. This is 1 cup. And I'm going to add in an equal amount of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. tablespoons of cinnamon. That's 1 tablespoon. Two, 3, and probably a little dash more. Now I want to mix everything together. Now, after I mix these together, I'm going to cover it and cook it for 4 hours in the slow cooker, and I'm going to make sure I continuously stir it. So I'm going to check it every 15 to 20 minutes and give it a stir. And as this is slow cooking, your house is going to smell amazing. Let's cover it, and remember to come back and check it every 15 to 20 minutes during the next 4 hours and give it a good stir. It's been 4 hours, and what you want to do now is add water to the almonds. And I have 1/3 of a cup of water, but I just want to add a little at a time. I want to add the least amount possible. I don't want to overdo it. I want to coat the almonds and get them to have that wet look, because the water will help the sugar, the water will help the sugar to adhere to the almonds. It looks like I need a little more. Like I said, I'm just doing a little bit at a time. Again, just add the water a little at a time. Just going to add a little more water to this. Just make sure you really mix it well. Going to add a little bit more water. And then I'm going to cover this and cook this for about 30 to 45 more minutes. in 45 minutes. The almonds are finished. As you can see, they're nicely coated. Now at this point, I just give them a good stir, and then what you want to do is take them out and let them sit on a piece of parchment paper and spread them out so that they can cool. So I have my parchment paper on the counter, and I'm going to take out the almonds from the crock pot, and I'm going to try to spread them out. I want to try to stop them from clumping and give them a chance to cool. Just make sure you separate them. Let's try to separate them up. They taste delicious. Okay, just let them cool down, and then you can wrap them up. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.